Nano Banana. Google Nano Banana. Nano Banana is a state-of-the-art AI tool designed to transform your written ideas into high-quality images. Whether you want to generate a brand new scene or edit an existing image, this AI model understands your words to help you design like a pro. So Nano Banana, you can use it to visualize complex concepts, tell digital stories, or experiment with different artistic styles in just a few seconds. So by using Nano Banana, you can visualize complex concepts, digital stories, experiment with different artistic styles in a few seconds. This Nano Banana, developed by Google, formerly known as a Flash 2.5, integrated in all Google ecosystem applications. You can use this Nano Banana in Google Gemini. When you click on tools, just create images by using this create images, or here also you can use like a create image. So if you click any one of these, you can work with Nano Banana. Nano Banana integrated into all Google ecosystem applications like Google AI Studio. The Google AI Studio right side models. Here you can click on it. You will get Nano Banana models. When you click on images, you can see the Nano Banana models. Same like in the Google Slides as well, Nano Banana integrated. You can build, visualize images by using a Nano Banana in Google Slides as well. Not only that, like Notebook LM, all Google ecosystem, Nano Banana integrated to generate images. Here I am working with Google Gemini Nano Banana. Let me start with a prompt. This is the prompt I'm going to use with Nano Banana. Just enter. Nano Banana generated an image for given prompt. This is the image generated by Nano Banana. For this, I'm asking to edit small things. Let me ask something like this. Change the shirt of the person in the middle to a bright red satin and add a small butterfly pin to the collar. Just I'm giving a small edit to the image. Enter. So you can able to edit an image with a Nano Banana. For first prompt, Nano Banana generated this image. And then I asked a small changes. See here, change the shirt of the person in the middle to a bright red satin and add a small butterfly. See here, it is according to the prompt, the shirt color changed to red and then it is added a butterfly onto the collar. Same like we can edit images with a Nano Banana. And then here also asking to change the background a little bit. Let me ask something like this. Change the background to a snowy mountain vista with a dramatic evening light. A snowy mountain vista with a dramatic evening light. Just enter. So here we mentioned dramatic evening light. That's why definitely it will work on the background window climate. This is the image generated according to the given prompt. The background window, glassy window changed into according given prompt. Likewise, we can generate images and we can edit images by using a Nano Banana. One more important thing with a Nano Banana is not only we can generate, not only we can edit, even we can combine the multiple images by using a Nano Banana. Let me attach multiple images to the Nano Banana. Here I'm attaching these three images. By combining all three images, I can generate a image ad with Nanobanana. Combine all attached images and generate an ad to drink. Here, just I attached three images to Nanobanana and just asking to combine all attached images and generate an ad to drink. The important thing here it is the aspect ratio automatically used the last image. Here, this is the last image. So Nanobanana automatically use that aspect ratio to generate new image. Just enter. This is the first one. This is the second image. And this is the third image. Nanobanana default can use the last image aspect ratio. See, this is the aspect ratio used by the last image. If you want to check that, let me ask one more time again. See, same this one, first one, and the second image is this one, and the third image is this one. Now, Nanobanana will take a reference as the third image to generate aspect ratio. For example, here the third one is wide image. Now we will generate a wide image ad. Let me give the same prompt again. Paste here, enter. See here, the last image is this one. See, here the aspect ratio is used with third image. So, Nanobanana used reference as the last image for aspect ratio. So this is the ad image generated by a Nanobanana by combining multiple images.